Here comes the trolley. Okay guys, in Gatlinburg, heading to, on a 0 day, heading to Smoky Mountain Brewery for some lunch dinner. And then to Baskin-Robbins. Yeah, beautiful day to walk down the streets of Gatlinburg and eat some good food, have some ice cream. You would think somewhere on this strip that I could find some summer sausage for the trail, but nope, the NOC was out, so probably my best bet would be Food City. So maybe I can get there, but that's outside of town on the way back to the lodge. Well, I've tried about 5-6 different shops all up and down this strip for summer sausage. Can't find anything. I think that they are more interested in their moonshine. Okay, back to the trolley and back to the Lodge of Legends. Back at the lodge, got my summer sausage and cheese from Food City, of course. So I'm happy. It's heavy carry, but it's worth it. Good morning from Newfound Gap, and welcome to day, I believe, 20. Plan for the day is to get down to Tri-Corner Knob Shelter, which is about a 16-mile day. And yeah, that shouldn't be too bad of hike today, fairly easy. Not as much elevation, and the elevation that you have isn't that steep, so totally doable. Also, I'm off of a nice 0 day, so it's good to get back on the trail. Really good, but it was really great to have a 0 day. And Lodge of Legends, really great place to stay. Beautiful accommodations. Thank you, Renee. And I really enjoyed my stay there with you guys. But yeah, so heading to Tri-Corner Knob Shelter, and on the way there, stopping at Charlie's Bunyan, which we should have a really good day for that. It's fairly sunny, and yeah, so the view should be really great, which I'm glad for. Spectacular views, and it's really an iconic place in the Smokies, not only in the Smokies, but on the Appalachian Trail in general. And I'll bring you some good views from there. After today, particularly probably like tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow into tomorrow night, there's more weather moving in. It's supposed to get kind of cold with showers coming in, maybe even at the higher elevation, some snow showers. So that's over the next few days. So it'll be good to get out of the Smokies before some really bad weather hits. I should be out of here in like another day and a half after today. Okay, approaching Charlie's Bunion. Here we go. Karis, do you remember when you were up here with Gumpa a few years ago? Look at this buff, man. It's blowing away. At least it's not my hat. Wow, that ridge walk right past Charlie's Bunion was amazing. I highly recommend if you're ever in the Smokies, to come down and do it. Really great. Hope you enjoy the footage and the photos. Wow, what a nice view to break out to. Beautiful. What do you think? A great spot for lunch? I think so. Alright, I gotta get moving, people. It's after 1. I have over 7 miles to the shelter yet. I am stopping way too much to take views, but how can I not look at this? I'm just taking all kinds of pictures. You know how I am. I can't control myself when it comes to views. And guess what? I checked far out, and there's a lot more of them coming up before I hit the shelter. So this is a problem, people. This is a problem. But I will stop and enjoy as much as I can and just show up at shelter late. That's all. I love it when families hike together, and this is a family through hiking together, and they are from Oklahoma. And I'm going to turn the camera around, and I'm going to let them tell you their trail names.
Sure. My trail name is Queen Bee.
Queen Bee.
My trail name is Puddles.
Okay.
My trail name is Mountain Goat.
Mountain Goat.
And I'm Caboose. I'm Leave No Child Behind, and we're the Garmonies, and we are from Oklahoma. We've been running in to Stan the Man. He's real great with photography, nice guy, and we're having a blast, and we're enjoying this beautiful day here at the Great Smoky Mountains.
I am too. This has got to be one of the best trail days ever.
Yeah, it's
I think.
one of our top 3, I think.
Yeah, definitely. It's so beautiful with these views out over here. And yeah, just enjoying our time on the trail today. The sun and the views, it's great.
Yeah.
All right, guys, good luck.
Thank you.
Bye. Check this blowdown. That is huge. This is pretty fresh too. Look at that. And here's another big one. My guess is that it happened during the big storm the other night. Wow, this is huge. Look at that. Like ripped up almost half part of the trail. Wow. Tell you what, this has just been one day of view upon view upon view up here on this ridge in the Smokies. Really beautiful. I'm losing time, but you know what? It's worth it. I'm gonna take my time, take photos, do what I love to do, and enjoy these moments. I don't have to rush. I got no place to go, but I do have a shelter to get to. And I'm gonna get there. All right. A lot of moss on the trail. Really, really beautiful. All the way up into the woods. All this moss is so soft and cushy, you could definitely sleep on it. I have no doubt about that.